Hey there, YouTube enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic to dive into: the secrets behind creating killer thumbnails and titles that'll make your videos stand out in the crowd. I'm your host, Robert, and I can't wait to share some fantastic tips with you. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our content. It helps us out a lot, and I thank you. All right. Let's kick things off with a burning question. Have you ever scrolled through YouTube and found yourself clicking on a video just because the thumbnail and title were so darn intriguing? Well, you're not alone. So, what makes a thumbnail and title click-worthy? The first key is bold visuals. Your thumbnail is like the cover of a book. It should grab attention instantly. Use vibrant colors, clear images, and, if possible, add a face to make it relatable. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 clicks. Now let's talk titles. Do you often find yourself drawn to videos with clever titles that leave you curious? Well, our second hook is all about the magic of a captivating title. How can you make your audience curious from the get-go? The secret here is to create a title that sparks curiosity but doesn't give everything away. Use keywords related to your content, add a touch of mystery, and there you've got a title that's impossible to resist. Now here's a big one. Have you ever wondered how long it takes for someone to decide whether to click on your video? It's a matter of seconds. That's why our third hook revolves around quick readability. How can you make sure your audience gets the idea at a glance? Keep it simple. Use large, easy-to-read fonts, and ensure that your thumbnail is still recognizable when it's reduced to a smaller size. Remember, you want your audience to grasp the essence of your video in a split second. So there you have it. The three hooks to creating engaging thumbnails and titles: bold visuals, captivating titles, and quick readability. Stay with this mindset and you are on the right track. But here's the real question. Which of these tips are you most excited to try out first? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. And of course, share this video with your fellow content creators. Until next time, stay creative, stay curious, and keep those thumbnails and titles popping. See you in the next video, and never give up. Bye for now.